Goldsberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with my good friend Frankie the Baker.
Hello, Lily.
And I like what I see here.
Oof.
What are we doing?
We got fresh whipped cream, chocolate pudding, chocolate curls. Let's go to town.
Let's do this.
So we're gonna make the heavy cream mixture with a little powdered sugar,
Okay.
And a little drop of vanilla. All right, so now we're just gonna fill the pie up with the chocolate pudding. See how nice and smooth that is? Nice and silky. Almost there, see it peeking up?
Oh, look at that. It's getting fluffy. Like me in the winter. I get a little fluffy.
You got it?
Yeah, it looks good. I love when I can help.
There you go, put it to work. So we wanna make a nice rosette.
Oh yeah, you definitely don't want me doing this.
All right, rosette all around.
Rosettes.
Look at that, Lily.
It's so pretty.
We could sprinkle on top, just like that.
Yeah,
And
make
then
a mess. Why not?
we could go on the side.
You know how nervous I'd be?
Nah, it's easy.
It is easy. I think people at home could easily do this.
Missing a few,
Yeah,
throw a little more.
That's what I say.
Then we got the final touch. You could do this one.
I could do this
Yes.
one? Okay.
Just drop it in.
All right, we're just gonna
Back and
drizzle.
forth.
Oh, I love it.
All right.
Beautiful. There you go. If you'd like to try this at home, head to our website, news12.com, and you'll find the recipe there. Frankie, thank you. Now cut me a piece.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's eat.